All right, so where did we go wrong?
Well, it would probably have to be, so we're doing no restrictions, we have one restriction, or two restrictions.
Okay.
So no restrictions, seems right, 9,000 numbers.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the numbers that do not include 1, that are missing a 1, that works. 8 times 9 times 9 times 9. For the numbers that are missing a 0, it is 9 to the 4th.
Okay.
So I think these two numbers are right.
All right.
Numbers that are missing both is 8 times 8 times 8 times 8.
Okay.
But we must have just forgotten to subtract something. Or maybe subtracted the wrong thing.
Yeah. What did we count here? What are the numbers that we've counted here?
So we've counted the numbers here that do not have a 1, do not have a 0, or do not have both. No, we didn't.
We started with all the numbers. What's the first thing we subtracted away?
We subtracted away the numbers that have no 1.
Okay. What can you tell me about those numbers?
Well, numbers that have no 1.
Yeah. What are we trying to count?
We're trying to count the numbers that are missing a 1 or a 0 or both.
Okay. So what can you tell me about these numbers, the ones that don't have a 1, that we're subtracting away?
Well, these numbers work.
Those are the numbers we want.
Yeah.
We're taking those away. What about these numbers?
Those are also, we want those numbers.
Okay, and what about these numbers?
Those we don't want those.
Okay, why?
Because we're missing both our numbers.
They don't work.
They don't contain a 1 or a 0.
Right, but why did we have to put them back here?
Because we took them out in both cases.
We took them out twice.
Well, we could also,
So what, by the way now, so although we got the wrong number, what can you tell me about this number? We actually didn't go super far astray.
Well, we have the right numbers down here.
Okay, we have the right numbers.
So these are...
What are the 703 numbers?
These are the numbers that don't work for the problem.
Right, these are the numbers that don't
So
work.
we have to subtract these away from 9,000.
Right, we have to subtract those away from 9,000. So what's 9,000 minus 703?
That is 8,297.
8,297. 8,297. So we just by accident, and this is why this is such a great problem, just by accident we counted not just the wrong thing, but
the opposite thing.
The exactly wrong thing we counted. Just by accident. So it just turns out that we just have to take the number we got and subtract it from 9,000. But we could tell we were wrong because there have to be at least 4,096 of these numbers. Because those are the ones where you don't have a 0 or a 1. Yeah. Right? Now, interestingly, the book I got this out of says that the answer is 9 to the 4th plus 8 times 9 to the 4th minus 8 to the 4th. So where did that come from? 9 to the 4th plus 8 times 9 to the 4th minus 8 to the 4th.
Well, here's our 9 to the 4th and 8 to the 4th.
Yeah. So we had 9 to the 4th plus 8 times 9 to the cubed. Sorry, 8 times 9 cubed.
Cubed, alright.
Minus 8 to the 4th.
So we have 9 to the 4th. Here's our 8 times 9 cubed.
Yeah.
Minus this.
Yeah. So where did that answer come from?
So the numbers missing a 1.
Yeah.
Plus the numbers missing a 0.
Yeah.
Minus the numbers missing both.
Yeah.
Because we counted those twice.
Yeah, because we just counted those twice. So good example. This shows that it's easy to accidentally count the wrong thing.
Yeah.
And you just kind of have to double check. But at the end of the day, we got back to the right answer pretty easily.
Yeah.
All right. Good work tonight, guys.